But that's a thing that's gonna happen. Maybe later on today, who knows? Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're having a good day already. If you're wondering why my camera is shaking, it's because I'm holding it in my hand and I don't have a vlogging stick yet, but this is a vlog and it's 2020. And I have in my bathroom a tiny little kitten. He is not super thrilled to be here, but who really would be thrilled to be trapped in a bathroom? We are going to move through the house a little bit. That's where I get ready in the morning. I'm gonna shut this kitten in the bathroom. And we're gonna get going. We're gonna make our way downstairs. What do I need to do before I go? I need to get my knitting together. Oh, you wanna see something really funny? I have a bag of goose feathers. My in-laws are hunters and gatherers. Anyway, they shoot geese in whatever season geese shooting is happening, and Karen, my mother-in-law, has saved all of the down from those geese. This is our closet. I'm just putting this stuff away. She saved all the down from these geese, and she saved it for me to do what I want with. So I'm gonna try making some feather pillows. I'm gonna fill them outside where I won't have to breathe wild bird air. This is my first morning hello to Star Baby Moonchild. She is our going on senior kitty. She's the oldest of the group. She's a very good girl. Love her so much. You know her. This is Scab. Hey, Scab. She's typically quite shy, so maybe you'll see more of her in the future. Let's see if the feral cats got fed. I'm sure that they did. Don't you go outside, Scab. Oh, there you go. See? Girl, what you doing? Get back in here. Oh, Shippy's just scrounging for the cat food. Come on, go in. Get yourself a dentist with pride flags, y'all. Check out this awesome picture of my skull from the dentist today. I'm getting these teeth taken out. Oral surgery. First time for everything.